Dear viewers, hope you are well. Today I will show how you can automate your writing task on the Windows. You can install AutoHotkey on desktop or laptop. Then I already installed it, so I will not download it again. But I show how you can run the script. I run the script, and you can also edit your tasks according your preference. Like I have add my address email for short form, it will count a long form. So if I show the for email address, it will count for a long form. Yes, and for my address, it will show the full form. For other content like long form content, is and also for my phone number, and also for uh, like you can check your parent, like if I write uh, yes, yes, it can show automated the process. And you can use for opening the calculator and also notepad. Like if you press Ctrl Alt C, it will open the calculator, and if you press Ctrl Alt N, and it will open the notepad. So you can automate the process this way. Thank you all.